Hey guys, some of you asked if I would do um, a reference video on the mixing of our paints for our abstract tint and shade project. So here we go. I already put the blue down. As you can see, I've got yellow and red already completed. So I'm going to just take some white so I can do the first tint of my blue. So try to keep that paint, in a bit of a kind of a smaller area with your little plastic spatula. Work all the streaks, swirls out. When you see one solid color, you should be able to ready to go ahead and put some paint down. So here goes my first tint. Again, these shapes can be anything you'd like. You don't want to see any white. You want to see nice consistent coverage. In some cases, you might have to go over the paint more than once, but looks like this blue is going to cover nicely. So there we go. There's our first tint. Add some more white. As you can see, this mixing. Add some more white to my first tinted blue. Again, working that all so the color all looks uniform. No streaks. And I'll go ahead and apply that. So my lighter one, I'm going to go on the outside. I got into a little bit of that dark. It's still a little wet, so I'm going to wipe my brush off. Don't see that. Got a little on my table, which is no big deal. Just going to go ahead and wipe that off with a paper towel. It's wet, comes right out. Okay. So now we're going to go into our shades. I'm just going to put a little bit of black to start with. Again, use that spatula to move that paint so you're mixing all of it. Try to keep it on half the plate because many of you are doing 2 colors a day. That one's ready to go. We'll go bottom edge. Sometimes these darker colors don't cover as well, so you might have to go back, add a little more paint. Keep plenty of paint on your brush. Again, that little bit of paint I've gotten on the table, I'll wipe that off in just a second. Looks like I might have got a little lighter on my brush, which is no big deal. Cover that up. So, one color to go, so we need to mix one more. Do want to clean this up before it dries. All right, last one. I'm gonna put a little more black. Into my blue. Okay, once you get that mixed, you can go ahead and get the paint in your final section. Try to cover all your white. Nice uniform color. So as you can see, half the plate is still ready to be used for a different color. Make sure you wash up your paints. Table's clean. And so we've got a good start on this one. We've got 3 of the 12 colors painted. If you have any questions regarding any of this, just check with me while you're in class, and good luck.